This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is the Kryptonite Model 851127 Closed Shackle Padlock. If you've been with me for a while and have a very sharp memory, you may recall that I featured this lock's little brother in video number 558. If you're interested in seeing that video, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. This is a 63mm stainless steel padlock with a shrouded 11mm stainless steel shackle and a ball bearing locking mechanism. I don't believe this lock was ever offered to the US market, and I think it's actually discontinued at this point, which is a shame because it looks like a really nice lock. In any case, we're going to see what it takes to pick into, and then of course I will take it apart to show you what's inside. We have a pretty standard American lock keyway on this, and as I usually do, I will be using top of the keyway tension with a 50 thousandths pry bar on it, and I'm actually using a hook you haven't seen before. This is a rat yoke hook that was sent to me for evaluation, and I'm going to be featuring this in a video soon. But I've been having a lot of fun picking with it, so we're going to use it today. Okay, number 1, click out of him and a bit of a false set. Nothing on 2, nothing on 3. 4 is binding, got a little counter rotation, and I may have overset him, but I think I let him drop down. Nothing on 5. 6 is binding tightly, got a click out of him. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Okay, 3, definitely counter rotation there, but it's not actually clicking. Let me try manually turning it a bit. Okay, there we go. I think I got 3 set. Nothing on 4. Number 5, got a click out of him. And 6. 6 is binding tightly. He appears to have dropped down. And there we go. I got him reset and the lock is open. Okay, let's take this apart and I will show you what's inside. To take this apart, we have a Phillips screw down the shackle hole. So let's take that out first. Okay, we got that screw out. Let me bring our pinning tray over here so I don't lose any parts. Okay, we got the bottom plate and the core. Now, interestingly, this security nut is very, very big. If we compare it to what you would find on an American Lock 700, you can see it absolutely dwarfs it. So a lot more meat on both the nut and the screw. The same goes for this bottom plate. It's relatively thick compared to most other padlocks. If I put it next to, this is one that you would use on an American Lock 700, you can see it's probably, I'll say about 30% thicker. So a lot of beef on the bottom of that lock. Now let's take this apart. It looks like we have a C-clip. So let's take that off. Okay, we got the clip. Now we should just need the key and a follower. Okay, 6-pin core, everything pinned up. Let's see if we can drop these key pins out first. Okay, they are not coming out easily, so let me actually get my lock pick and start pushing them out. Number 1 is a serrated steel pin, 2 is serrated brass, 3 is serrated brass, 4, same there, same on 5, and same on 6. So all serrated key pins, with the number 1 key pin being steel for drill resistance. And I don't see anything special about that core. Okay, let's get the driver pins out. Number 1 is a standard steel pin, again for drill resistance. 2 is a spool. I'm expecting all of the rest to be spools. Same on 3 and 4. Same on 5. And same on 6. It looks like we have all similar springs. Okay, let me give you a close-up of all of this. There we go. Okay, as you can see, all of our key pins are serrated, with number 1 being steel for drill resistance. Then for driver pins, we have a standard steel pin in slot 1, and the rest are spools. Moving over to the core, you can see it is a 6-pin core. The actuator on the back is not bypassable, so that is a positive. Normal American lock keyway, and nothing special about it. Okay, so that's all I have for you on this Kryptonite model 851127. If you have any questions or comments about it, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.